Welcome back guys, and in this second tutorial in our full HTML and CSS course for beginners, we are going to be ensuring you have the necessary requirements set up for us to begin learning HTML and CSS. So what are the requirements for this course? The first requirement is going to be text editor and IDE. We are going to need something like an IDE or a text editor because they are going to provide us with functionalities such as code highlighting, that's notifying us about errors in our code. It can provide us with auto completion of our code and make us code faster. It can also permit us to format our code and indent our code better so that it's readable for other programmers. For text editors, you need to choose any of these choices. The same for IDEs, we just need one of these choices. Either I go VS Code, Sublime Text or Atom. For IDEs, you're either going to go for WebStorm, PHPStorm or PyCharm. Text editors are preferred to IDEs because they are more lightweight. A text editor like VS Code is even preferable because it has a package manager. Here you can see different packages, and as a developer you can choose the package of your choice to facilitate your life as a programmer. In my case, I'm going to be using VS Code. The second requirement is going to be modern web browser. You'll either be going for Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Safari. In my case, I'm going to be using Chrome. So if you want to be able to follow along exactly what I do, I recommend that for beginners, and I would suggest you download VS Code and Chrome, which I'm going to be using. So to follow along exactly like me, you are going to need to download Visual Studio Code. So head over to code.visualstudio.com and you are probably going to see the version of your computer is going to be detected automatically. I'm on a Windows computer, so it detects I'm on a Windows and I can download the latest stable version of Visual Studio Code. You're also going to need to download Google Chrome to follow along exactly like me. So you need to head to google.com/chrome to download the latest version of Google Chrome. And with that, we can start our program in the next tutorials.